Hello there, viewers. Today I have this 2012 Galaxy Box fan. I got this at Walmart. Here's the back. Sorry about that. My throat's a little scratchy today. So yeah, I picked this up at Walmart. I'm gonna start off on high here, so it doesn't fall over. Here's high speed. A little bit on the noisy side. Medium speed. Low speed. Let's crank it back up to high. Here. So a spin down of it. It's going to probably be a very short video because this fan is kind of, it's just a box fan. I gotta clean it. So it has to be cleaned, as you can tell. I've had this fan since I was back in elementary school. We use this fan quite a bit. Here's the plug to it. So this is my Galaxy box fan. 2012. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos like this to come. See you guys next time. Peace.